How evil is uNkulunkulu? Jeremiah 1 verse 1. I knew you in your mother's womb before you were born. Yangithola. Le verse leli Jeremiah 1 verse 1 symbolizes ukuthi everything eyenzakalayo empilweni zethu ihleliwe is a plan by the Holy Spirit. Yangithola. So even the war in Congo, like people abantwana abancane abaluza impilo zabo eCongo is inhloso yakhe umveli nqaba. Yangithola. The war in Sudan, abantwana abancane losing their lives ePalestine is a plan yakhe uGod. And by God, I'm using it whether it's a Christian God, whether it's a Muslim God, whether Allah, whether Jah. You understand? Because if the uNkulunkulu is truly good, if uNkulunkulu cares about the suffering, bekungeke azazalwe abantwana in a state of suffering. Ngoba labantwana abazalwa eCongo, abantwana abazalwa ePalestine, they do not choose ukuzalwa laphaya. But uNkulunkulu uye oplanile ukuthi they should be born laphaya. So by them being born laphaya and being born in a state of war, being born in a state where impilo zabo are just reduced to just being bodies, it means ukuthi uNkulunkulu is complicit in murder. uNkulunkulu is complicit in genocide. So is uNkulunkulu inherently evil? Or we cannot say ukuthi good most by allowing things to happen. So the question is uNkulunkulu inherently evil, or does he evolve and become evil as a deity?